What is up, guys? Welcome to Barrookie. In today's video, this one is for you guys, the ones who are willing to do cold water exposure but who have been procrastinating for such a long time. Maybe you already bought a tub but you still haven't found a way to get into it. Well, in today's video, I'm going to explain what to do. Basically, it is just start now, because if you're in the northern hemisphere, and even if you're in the southern hemisphere, it's even better. Now is the time to start. Obviously, you have to consider the time of this video, which is the end of September. And if you want to start with cold water exposure, now it's starting to cool down, especially here in Belgium. The morning temperatures are around 7 degrees Celsius and the water temperature is around 10 to 15 degrees Celsius, which makes it perfect to start cold water exposure. Now, why is that? Well, if you want to try and get that new habit, even if it's weekly or every other day or daily, you want to start it when it's doable, right? So you don't want to start in the ice cold water and expect you to do that for the rest of your life. No, you want to gradually go into that. If you want to go cold turkey, by all means do that. But I found if you go gradually, if the temperature drops gradually, you're going to be far better off. I'm talking about a cold water exposure. That means that I'm not gonna spend a bunch of money trying to get my tub cool, keeping my tub cool. No, what I have is a very basic bare bone rain tub. I put it outside. Actually, if you want to see it right now, there's my tub. Boom. I just let the water cool by the environment. And I feel that that's very good, because once it starts to get winter, once the freezing temperatures starts to arise, you are going to have your ice baths. And you can profit from the benefits of doing ice baths. But I must say, cold water exposure in and of itself is already giving me great boosts in alertness, in sleeping better. It only makes my hands cold during the day, so that is something I have to find something to. But I really recommend start in the beginning of autumn. That way you can adapt very quickly and you're gonna make a hell of a lot of cold water exposure gains. So yes, also, if you're still needing to find a tub, don't buy these expensive tubs. It's really not necessary. Mine is never in the sun, so that's one advantage. So that way the water never heats up too much. And also your plastic tub will not degrading as fast. But basically that's it. It's a rain tub, it's out of the sun, and it cools because of the environment. And I feel like I have enough benefits of that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope you got something out of it, and I hope I inspired you now to start your cold water adventure that you have been procrastinating for such a long time. And I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Peace!